I told you that you guys can click on one button to copy a video and make $50 up to $300 right away. And the best thing is that you can do this over and over and over again and keep making $300 in just a few minutes. I know it sounds too good to be true, but look at all of this money that I'm already earning. You guys are gonna go absolutely crazy about this. So if you guys wanna know how to do that, then make sure you type in www. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. So first of all, I want you guys to take a look at this Facebook video right here. Now, there are already a ton of videos you can watch on Facebook, but we are going to be using Facebook video just like this, and we're going to make a lot of money online. So right now, I want you guys to visit motiondone.com, and on this website, you can actually make a lot of awesome videos, including Facebook videos, which is very easy, and I want to show you everything in today's video. Now, this is exactly how all of these people are already using this Facebook video method and making a lot of money from it. Now, these people are earning hundreds of dollars and $50, just a lot of money. So right now I want to show you can sign up for a free account. When you get onto the homepage, I want you to go ahead and click on this red button on top to get started. So right now you're going to come on over to this page, and I want you to click on this button, sign up with email. Then you're going to go through the sign up process. It's super easy. First name, last name, email, password. You're going to sign up, and just like that, you have a Motion Done account. You're going to see that there's a lot of video templates which is already completely 100% done for you, like Facebook videos as well, that we can use right now. When you scroll down below, you're going to look for this keyword, which is Facebook, and I want you to click on this link. So you're going to find a lot of Facebook video templates that you're going to be able to use for completely free. So I want you to go down below so you can see these are all done free videos that we're going to be using in today's video. Start making money from it. So as you can see here, all these templates, they're very professional looking, and with just one click of a button, you can get all of these right now. And I'm going to give you a real life demonstration. For example, I want to use this template, which is a thumb, and look at this video right here, which is also very professional, very beautiful. And then we can just use it right now, right away, and we can actually use this to start making money online. All you have to do right now is to just go ahead and click on this red button right here to edit this video, and then you're going to come on over to this page where you're going to start editing this video. Again, you're not going to have to do much editing because everything is already pretty much done for you. So you're going to see a total of 8 styles that you can actually change. You can change the text, you can change the images, you can change pretty much whatever you want. But again, it's 100% done for you already. For example, if I want to change the text on this slide, just have to click on this, click on design. I can just type in whatever I want. For example, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then just click on the save button. And just like that, you finally have a video that you have curated and created on your own.
Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel because it really helps the channel. We have new videos for you every day, so you definitely won't regret it. Also, hit the notification bell because why not, right? Let's wrap this up then.
Now, for example, if I've already changed the text that I wanted and I've already done it, I can save it already by clicking on the save button. It's as simple as that. If you want to change the background, you can also just click on the background. You can choose whatever photo that you want, and then you're just going to click on continue, and boom, just like that. When you're satisfied, you can click on this button right here to make the video. Again, you can go back to this page right here, click on Facebook. You can find other video templates that you can use, and there are so many templates that you can just edit. Super simple with just one click of a button. So right now, you created a ton of Facebook videos already, and I want you to go on to our second website, which is going to help us make the money, and it's called quickengigs.com. So right now, when you scroll down below this website, you're going to look for an icon right here, which is video and animation. And I want you to click on this logo, and then you're going to come on over to this page. So you're going to see where you're going to find a lot of people. They're uploading and sharing the video on this website. They're making a ton of money. So right now, very important, on the left section, you're going to see there are a ton of different categories of videos and animation. Now I want you to scroll down below and look for this link right here, which is short video ads. And I want you to click on this link. And right now, I want you to take a look look at this guy here who's creating Facebook videos and making this amount of money. This guy also making even more money. And a lot of people just making even more money and more money by creating Facebook videos. And you and I, we're going to do the exact same thing just by using MotionDent. And then they're done for your videos and templates for completely free. That's literally it. So for example, this guy is making, let's say, $40 per video. Right now, you're going to click on this link right here, and we're going to go on over to this page. You're going to see he's selling for $40. It's crazy. Look at that, $40. So if you just sell for 5 videos a day, you're going to be able to make over $200. And there's already a lot of people using this method right now, and people buying for 5 or even 20 videos right away. So right now, if you want to sign up for a completely free account on Quicken Gigs, you're just gonna go on over to the home page. You're gonna click on the register button on top, and then you're gonna come on over to this page where you can sign up for a free account. You're just gonna put in your username, you're gonna put in your email right here, and then for the user, just type, you can just click down here and you're gonna choose on seller. Then right here, just gonna type in your password. You're gonna confirm your password. Then you're gonna put in your phone numbers, and also for the company, you can just put in your full name right there, and then you can just go ahead, click on the register button, as simple as that. And the reason why I love Quicken Gigs is because it's a brand new website. There's not much competition here. There are a lot of people who actually come here as well, and actually you're gonna see a new arrival as well. And here in the new arrival, you're gonna see that there are new categories. So if you watch this video right now, you're in for another early opportunity. And again, you're gonna be able to use MotionDent to create a lot of free videos, done for you templates. You can do the same thing with just one click of a button. That's exactly how all of these people are making a lot of money online, by doing simple Facebook videos without having to edit the actual videos themselves. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.